Ni hao Manila!
Ni hao Manila! Ni hao Manila!
Ni hao Manila!
Ni hao Manila!
Ni hao guys! So I'm gonna be sharing my experience. Actually, sobrang breathtaking ng view. No, wala akong masabi kasi para talaga siyang nasa Avatar, no, yung experience. And nakakatuwa dito, lahat is very scenic, lahat very Instagrammable, no, kaya sobrang worth it. And guys, the fact na meron siya mga drone shots, no, pwede kayo magpa-drone shot dito for only 98 yuan. That's the best part na nangyari kanina kasi since kailangan namin siya for the content, no? And if you're making videos as well, you can do that drone shots. Ang maganda rin dito guys, puro walking lang tayo dito. So exercise talaga ang magiging agenda natin for today. But nakakatuwa kasi to experience this is something na memorable, no? This experience talagang tatatak siya sa akin kasi ma-nature talaga ako in terms of travel and seeing the formations, the rock formations and everything, sobrang sobrang mind-blowing experience for me. And that's it for today guys. I hope na enjoy nyo tong vlog ko sa Zhangjiajie National Forest Park. So I hope soon kayo naman na makapunta dito. Again guys, follow us on our Instagram channels and of course subscribe dito sa vlog na ito. See you again soon and Ni hao Manila! Bye-bye!